We will create a sloping riser in this video. This will be like a normal Revit staircase where the width and thickness of the tread and riser can be changed, and in addition to that the angle of the slant can also be changed. Create a new file metric profile type. At the reference level, place reference planes as shown here. Create new parameters for the tread width and thickness. Place a rectangle and lock all the 4 sides. We will be loading this into the project file. At the reference level we will place a stair and let's increase its width. Delete the railings and hold the stair and duplicate it. Give a name to it. Change the right and left supports to none, and in the Run Type menu uncheck the riser box. This tread is the default one. Go back and load the one that we made. Open the Run Type again and change the tread profile to the one that we just loaded. Open Families menu, and in the profiles we have this profile that we loaded. Hold the stair and assign a parameter to the tread width. Also associate a width parameter to the profile that we loaded. In the global parameters, equate the 2 tread widths. In the profile family, make 2 reference planes and create parameters for riser width and height. Make a rectangle lock on all 4 sides and trim to create a L-shaped tread. Load this again into the project file. And associate the riser height with a parameter. The riser height should be same as the actual riser height. Also associate the thickness of the tread with a new parameter. Go back to the profile and delete the riser sides and make a line at an angle as shown. Place an angular parameter between the ref plane and the slanting line. And create a new angular parameter. Align the endpoint of the line to the reference plane and lock. Place another line parallel to this line and trim the line with the upper horizontal line. Place an aligned dimension and assign the thickness parameter between the 2 lines. And lock the endpoint to the ref plane. Join the 2 parallel lines with a line. Check to see if all the parameters are working. Place a reference plane at the endpoint of the second parallel line. Place an aligned dimension as shown. Create a parameter. This is the distance by which the end of the riser is shifted. Place another plane at the same distance after the tread. The tread has to be increased by this displace distance so that there is no gap between the riser and the tread. Align the side of the tread to this line and lock. Place some ref planes to work out the value for the displace. Use geometry to find out the distance equal to the parameter displace. Remove any extra lines. The profile should be one continuous closed curve line, otherwise the profile will not show in the other file. Check if all parameters are working well. Load the file into the project file. Make the riser equal to the actual riser height of the stair. Create a parameter for the angle. Make sure to get the tread and riser from the properties by holding the stair. The same profile can be used for the riser when the tread is unchecked.